Ngayon ay isa-solve na natin yung mga karugtong na problems ng ating mga naiwang problems sa video nung nakaraan. So, tinakal natin doon problems 1 to 3. Dito itatakal natin problems 4 to 5 or kahit hanggang 6 kung hanggang saan tayo umabot. Okay, let's start. Problem number 4. A man aims to borrow 20,000 pesos from a bank. Yung bank A nag-o-offer ng total interest na 2,450 at the end of 330 days. Si Bank B ay nag-o-offer ng 12.35% simple interest rate. Si Bank C naman ay nagre-require ng 12.10% exact simple interest. Now, which is the best option based on the interest earned? So, dahil ito ay utang, no, borrowed hahanapin natin yung may pinakamababang interest per annum. Kasi pag nangutang ka, ang best option mo yung may pinakamababang interest. Kung investment yan, ang best option mo naman yung may pinakamataas na interest. So be careful on the words na ginagamit sa problem kasi yun yung mag-a-identify kung anong answer yung pipiliin nyo based on your analysis. So by this, mas okay na ang pag-populate natin dito ay table. Given. So si Bank A, di ba? Si Bank A, tapos i-analyze natin or titingnan natin kung ano yung principal mo, kung ano yung interest mo, or yung iba pang quantities para ma-compute natin siya, tapos mapag-compare natin. Mapag-compare. Anyway, Bank A. So, meron ka dapat dyan na what? Meron kang interest, meron kang principal, at meron kang what? Meron kang interest rate. So, i-ano lang natin, isa-substitute lang natin. Lahat naman to 20,000 eh. Di ba? 20,000 and 20,000. Ngayon, si Bank B, ang given sa kanya ay yung I na 12.35%. Lahat naman yan per year. Tapos si Bank C ay 12.10%. Si Bank A, ang sabi niya, 2,450 yung interest. Pero, at 330 days yun. So, meaning, hindi tayo pwedeng magbase lang dito, tapos mag-compare tayo dito. Kailangan nating makompute yung interest rate nito na per annum. Kasi yung interest niya ay 330 days lang. So, hindi pa kumpleto na 1 year. So, we will compute for this quantity and then, saka tayo magko-compare alin sa kanila yung pinakamababa. So, automatic, itong si Bank B, mas mataas na siya kay Bank C. So, si Bank C na yung better option kung dalawa lang. Eh, may isa pa tayo na 2,450 at 330 days. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung interest rate niyan. So, kukomputin muna natin siya and then let's compare. So, alam na, ito yung kay Bank A lang tayo titingin. Pwede nyo gawin na mag-analyze tayo dito, pero lengthy process yon. So, kaya ako tinabilit kasi ito lang din naman yung ipagko-compare natin, yung I. So, yan lang din yung isa-solve natin. So, without further ado, let's solve. We know the formula, what? F is equal to P times 1 plus IN. So, ang F mo, ay sorry, pwede rin yan. Pwede rin yung gamitin natin. So, 20,000 plus 2,450. Kasi yan yung interest eh. So, yan yung F mo, future value. Is equal to 20,000 times 1 plus, ano yung rate of interest mo? Yun nga yung nawawala. Tapos, N natin, dahil naka-days, 330 days, ano gagamitin natin? Walang sinabi sa problem kung anong interest. So, ang gagamitin natin ay ordinary simple interest. So, 360 lang. Therefore, solving for I, ang magiging sagot natin ay ito. Try natin siya i-solve. No? So, that is 20,000, 1, 2, 3, plus 2,450. Yan ay equal sa 20,000 times 1 plus alpha x, 330 alpha x, over 360. and you hit shift solve equals, your interest is 13.36% per annum. So 13.36% per year. Therefore, pagka sinubstitute natin siya or nilagay natin siya dito na 13.36%, we can see na etong bank C yung pinaka mababa yung interest rate. Therefore, ang pipiliin nating bank ay si Bank C. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Proceed tayo sa problem number 5. So, kapag uutang kayo, ganun. Hanapin nyo yung may pinakamababang interest. So moving on, problem number 5, if the sum of 15,000 pesos is deposited in an account earning 4% per quarter, determine the following. Una, maturity value after 5 years, and pangalawa, the number of years for the money to double. So dalawa yung hinahanap. Pero ito yung mga given. Yung P mo is 15,000. Yung I mo is 4% per quarter times 4 quarters per year. Diba? So, ang total niya na annual rate of interest ay 16% per year. Para lang siyang 4% per quarter plus 4% plus 4% hanggang makabuo ka ng isang taon. Now, knowing those values, we are required to find what is the A, maturity value. Pag sinabing maturity value, yan yung F. F at N is equal to 5. And hahanapin din natin ilang taon daw bago madoble yung pera. So, hanapin natin yung N at F is equal to 2P. Diba? So, yan yun. Unahin muna natin isolve yung A. So, A, you're required to find F at N is equal to 5 years. So, we know that your P is 15,000. Your I is equal to 16%. Substituting that, F is equal to P times 1 plus IN is equal to 15,000 times 1 plus I, which is 0.16 times 5. Therefore, your future value or maturity value at the end of 5 years is equal to what? That's 15 times 10 raised to 3 times 1 plus 0.16 times 5. And that is 27,000 pesos. That is 27,000 pesos. So, meron tayong sagot sa letter A. Proceed tayo sa letter B. Ang tinatanong naman doon ay gaano katagal, N in years, such that F is equal to twice your P. Therefore, same formula, F is equal to P times 1 plus IN. Therefore, 2P is equal to P times 1 plus your I is 0.16 times N. Cancel si P. 2 minus 1. What's that? 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to 0.16 and therefore N is equal to 1 divided by 0.16, and that is the period in which your money will be doubled than its original value, and that is 6.25 years or 6 years and a quarter. Yeah. So, it makes sense kasi after 5 years, 27,000 pesos yung pera mo. Para ma-double ang 15,000, ang kailangan mo ay 30,000. So, kailangan mo pa mag-wait ng 1 year and 1 quarter para yung 15,000, yung 27,000 pesos mo maging 30,000 pesos na siya. So, ayun siya. Okay? Let's proceed to the next problem. Yan. So, Annie buys a television from a merchant who seeks for 1,250 if paid at the end of 60 days. However, Annie wishes to pay immediately and the merchant offers to compute the cash price now. What is the cash price today if the money is worth 8% simple interest? So, medyo mahaba yung problem. Pero, again, analyze lang natin ano-ano yung mga values at saan-saan natin sila ilalagay na variables. Okay. Sabi, 1,250 if paid at the end of 60 days. So, ibig sabihin, at the end of 60 days, yung pera ay 1,250. Therefore, ano yung 1,250? Yung 1,250 ay F. Di ba? F at 60 days is equal to 1,250 pesos. And your N, therefore, is 60 days. Di ba? Tapos, what is the cash price today if the money is worth 8% simple interest? Therefore, yung I mo is 8%. Simple and ordinary yan dahil wala namang sinabi. Ngayon, ang nawawala, ang required ay P. Kasi what is the cash price today? Ang nangyari, bumili ng TV si Annie, babayaran siya ng 1,250 after 60 days. Eh sabi ni Annie, ngayon ko na lang babayaran. No? I-advance ko na yung payment ko. Today ko na siya babayaran. Magkano ang babayaran ko? Magkano ang due ko today? This point in time. So, ang gagamitin nating formula ay yung future value formula. No? Using these values. Therefore, substituting F is equal to P times 1 plus IN. Your F, yung future value mo at the end of 60 days is how much? 1,250. And nawawala yung P mo. Ngayon, dito ka medyo malilito. No? 0.08. Ngayon, sabi 60 days siya. Eh, hindi mo alam kung exact ba yan or ordinary ba yan or leap year ba yan. Pero sabi ko kanina, ang assumption natin ay ano, laging ordinary simple interest. Kapag walang sinabi. Unless otherwise specified na problem, use your ordinary simple interest. Therefore, your P is equal to 1,250 over 1 plus 0.08 times 60 over 360, which is equal to what? So, yeah. 1,250 divided by 1 plus 0.08 over 360. Tapos yung taas times 60. Therefore, that is worth, your money worth now is 1,233.55. 1,233.55 pesos. So, kung at the end of 6 years, ang babayaran mo ay 1,250, kapag binayaran mo siya now, advance payment, ang babayaran mo ay 1,233.55 pesos. And that is our answer. Okay? Again, itutuloy natin yung mga susunod na problems sa next video. Thank you for watching and see you doon sa part 3 of 3 nitong simple interest tutorial series natin.